Today we embark on a captivating journey into the microscopic universe, an extraordinary realm that lies hidden from our everyday sight. At the heart of this voyage stands a remarkable invention, the microscope, a marvel of human ingenuity and microscope has forever altered our perception of the world, allowing us to peer into the infinitesimal wonders that surround us. In this discussion, we will unravel the mysteries concealed with the microscope's intricate design and explore the significance of its individual parts. From the seemingly humble eyepiece to the awe-inspiring objective lenses, each component plays a vital role in unlocking the secrets of the microcosmos. So let's start. To begin with, we just need to identify the parts and function of the compound microscope. In a microscope, when we're looking at the function of this one, it is used to magnify small objects or even organisms. Because we cannot see it with the use of our naked eye, we need the microscope. The eyepiece or the ocular, this is what it looks like. It is often referred to as an ocular and a gateway to the microscopic realm. As we peer through its lens, a universe of tiny structures and living organisms reveals itself, a world that has captivated the curiosity of countless scientists throughout the history. Usually, it is 10 times in magnification. The body tube. This is the body tube. After the eyepiece is the body tube. It reflects light after the viewer's eye. It holds the eyepiece and even the nosepiece, which is the next part that we're going to show. So again, reflects the light. This is the nosepiece, or also known as the revolving nosepiece. It holds and turns the objectives, these are objectives, attached to the nosepiece, into viewing position. Aside from the nosepiece is the high-power objectives. It contains the lens with most magnification. And together with the low-power objectives or the LPO, it contains the lens with low-power magnification. Like the guardians of detail, these lenses work in harmony to magnify our specimens, each providing a different level of focus and clarity. Together, they offer us a comprehensive view of the unseen world, unveiling its astonishing beauty and complexity. Next part, I want you to look at this one. This is the arm. It is the one that supports the body tube. The arm. Next is the stage clip. This is the stage, and attached to it or on top of it are the stage clip. The stage clips are the one who hold the microscope slide in place. Look how it works. When you place a slide, you may just move the stage clip. Next is the inclination joint. The inclination joint, it's the one that tilts the microscope if there's a need for you to tilt the microscope. Only with a little tilting will do. Next, the pillar. This is the pillar part. It connects the base to the arm, inclination joint, and the pillar. It connects the base to the arm. Aside from the pillar is the stage. These are the stage clip. This one holds the slide in place. And this black thing here, a platform here, is called the stage. It supports the microscope slide. Next is the base. This is the base part. It provides support for the microscope. It will make the microscope stand. That's the purpose of the base. Next is the iris diaphragm. Look at this one here. In the iris diaphragm, it is the one that regulates the amount of light entering the body tube. So you may just manipulate this one to open this or close this one. Like in the camera. The mirror, it is the one that collects the light from the surrounding and allows light to reflect upward for you to see the organism onto you. The coarse adjustment is used to focus the image under the low power objective. Do not use this for high power objective, but rather for the low power objective only. The coarse adjustment. To sharpen the image under high and low magnification, you may manipulate this fine adjustment knob. So this is the coarse adjustment knob, and this one is the fine adjustment knob. So therefore, those are the different parts of the microscope. Remember that as we journey through the parts of the microscope, we also pay homage to the visionaries whose relentless pursuit of knowledge has propelled the evolution of microscopy from the pioneering work of Anthony van Leeuwenhoek to the technological advances of the modern age. Each milestone has expanded our understanding of the microscopic world. So again, thank you very much for listening and watching the discussion about the parts and the function of the microscope. See you again next time on the next review. Bye-bye. Do not forget to subscribe.